Hello. Back in the studio. I hope you are well. It's been one hell of a week. Going through lots of change and lots of anxiety and lots of overwhelm. I'm no different. But I do know that yoga and meditation are the tools that are going to help us find our way back to ourselves. Okay, because you've probably not been feeling quite yourself this past week. So I thought I would invite you to join me in meditation. It's a beautiful practice. Doesn't take long. We're going to spend about 20 minutes doing this right now, but you can just spend, oh my God, maybe just even 5 minutes, getting back into your own body, getting back into yourself, and just help to ground you. It's so easy to feel that disconnect and the worry and the overwhelm from all the craziness that's around us right now. So what can I do? I can help you meditate. I can help you sit for a moment, ground, and enjoy getting back to yourself, okay, a sense of yourself. So meditation is pretty easy. You find a comfortable seat. It's traditionally seated in an upright position. But if you feel that you can't sit for any length of time comfortably, feel free to lie down, sit in a chair. As long as you're feeling comfortable, you'll get less distracted by, sensations in the body. So find a comfortable place to sit and close your eyes. Close your eyes and start to take long, slow, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. Okay. Make them long, make them slow, make them deep, make them easy. And notice with every exhalation how you just sink deeper into your body a little bit more. Allowing the body to relax, the mind to relax. And just notice the pace of the heart beating, especially if you're already feeling a bit uneasy. If you're already feeling a little bit overwhelmed, you can kind of feel your heart racing a little bit. So just notice that, honour that. We have feelings, right? Suppressing them isn't, part of the deal. Honour those feelings and see if you can just allow yourself to let them go. Let that anxiety go, let that overwhelm go, and just be with the breath. Just notice and witness the breath coming and going out through the nose and in through the nose. So meditation is a healing practice as well as a spiritual practice. And science tells us that as soon as we sit into our meditation, we're beginning to connect with our parasympathetic nervous system, our rest and digest response, or your healing response. Okay, so we're just informing all the bodily systems that all is well, all is okay. Allowing the heart rate to become more regular. Okay. Allowing our hormonal systems to regulate so that we can recover our immunity. When we're in that fight or flight, that fear response, all our resources are going to attend to that threat. Immunity goes out the window. We've got to deal with that imminent threat. So your meditation is going to help you land more in your healing response. So just inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. And one of the first myths of meditation is that you will have no thoughts. Now let's just debunk that myth right here, right now. You're a human being, you have thoughts. Roughly 80 to 90,000 thoughts a day, and no, I don't know who counted. But the really sad thing about this little piece of information is that pretty much 80% of the thoughts that you had today are the same as the thoughts that you had yesterday. We're constantly recycling the same thoughts over and over. And this is very limiting, as you can imagine. It's a very small well that we're drawing from. So as you breathe, and as your mind relaxes, I just want you to notice that the thoughts are coming and going. You're not actually your thoughts. You're one kind of level or layer beyond that. You're the one witnessing your thoughts, the one experiencing your thoughts. And that's what we try and access during meditation, our awareness, our consciousness, the consciousness of the experience. So I just for a moment want you to notice your thoughts coming and going. It's like they're crossing the movie screen of your mind. And we're just letting them go. Witnessing, noticing, and letting them go. Not getting attached and wrapped up into the drama, the mental dialogue. Just noticing. Sometimes we can honor those feelings and thoughts that come as a result of those thoughts. But again, don't get caught up in a little story. That's the rabbit hole that we are tending to go down.